Hi, I'm Carly.
Hi, I'm Roland.
Hey, I'm Rochelle.
Hi, I'm Leslie.
This is Chapter 3, Sensation and Perception.
Sensation is what we experience every second. We use our eyes, ears, nose, and skin, and taste buds. What is sensory threshold? Sensory threshold is the smallest amount of sight, smell, and sound a person can detect. What is sensory adaptation? Sensory adaptation is when you're used to a stimulus. I wonder if I should wear these today. They seem kind of loud. Hey girl!
Hey, how's it going?
I'm good, how are you?
You know, doing good.
You taking summer school this year?
Yeah, I'm psychology.
Me too!
Who's your professor?
Professor Fell.
She's the best.
I love her. Hey! How are you?
Oh my god, Carly, your bracelets are annoying.
What bracelets? Oh.
How the eyes work. The eyes use rods and cones to see. Rods only see in black and white and shades of gray. They also work better in low lights. Cones see in color and work best in brighter lighting, and are also responsible for sharpness. Cones see in color and work best in brighter lighting, and are also responsible for sharpness. Different colors are seen by the amount of light each different cone receives.
Can I look at it?
Mm-hmm.
Spots! Spots everywhere!
They're experiencing an after image, which occurs when a person can still see an image after looking at it. For example, the sun or a camera flash. The opponent process theory suggests that there are 4 color cones split into 2 pairs of red and green and blue and yellow. When one cone gets tired or worn out, the corresponding cone takes over, which is why the after image is always in the opposite color. Monochrome color blindness is very rare. With this type of color blindness, you can only see shades of black, white, and gray, due to having no non-working, or no cones at all. Red-green color blindness is when a person has none working red or green cones and can only see in shades of blues, yellows, and grays. Blue-yellow color blindness is when a person has non-working blue or yellow cones and can only see in shades of reds, greens, and grays.
One cone is red and green.
Another cone is blue and yellow. Charger colors.
The hearing sense. We use hearing as one of our 5 senses. We hear through our ears and measure frequency in hertz, or waves per second.
Okay, so this is going to be our drawing of the ear. 3 bones, cochlea, and okay, so this is our pinna, which is found in the outer ear. Then we have the middle ear and the inner ear. So the outer ear just has the pinna. The middle ear has the eardrum and 3 bones, the hammer, anvil, and stirrup. In the inner ear we have the cochlea, semicircular canal, and the auditory nerve. So sound waves enter the ear through the pinna and hit the eardrum, which vibrate the 3 bones, hammer, anvil, stirrup, which in turn goes to the cochlea, and inside the cochlea there are cilia, which begin vibrating and send a signal through the auditory nerve to the brain.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
What? What were you saying?
Hey, you should turn your music down because it could damage your hair cells and actually cause you to get deaf.
Okay. Anyways.
Gustation. Gustation is basically taste. We have taste buds on our tongue that allow us to taste. We can experience 5 tastes, which include salty, sweet, bitter, umami, and sour.
Okay. Ah, my tongue!
So you just burned your tongue, right?
Yes.
So you damaged your taste buds and you're probably not going to be able to taste for a while. But don't worry, in 10 to 14 days your taste buds will replace themselves.
Okay.
Olfaction is smell. We are able to smell using olfactory receptor cells that have cilia. These receptor cells are located on the top of the nasal passage.
It smells so strong it's I can almost taste it.
But you do kind of taste it because particles go into your nasal cavity.
Oh, hey there! Somaesthetic senses, also known as body senses, are several sensations on and in the body. A type of somaesthetic sense is skin sense, which is touch, pressure, temperature,
Oh yeah?
and pain.
Oh!
Skin is an important organ, not only used to keep stuff in or out, but also receives and transmits info to the central nervous system, like pacey and corpuscles that respond to pressure. There are also internal pain fibers responsible for the stomach, such as stomach pain,
Oh, my stomach.
a full stomach,
Oh, so full.
and having to pee.
I have to go pee, I have to go pee, I have to go pee.
Somatic pain is when you feel pain in your tendons, joints, and muscles.
Ouch. Sore.
It hurts. You know, sometimes I wish I didn't feel pain.
Seriously.
I doubt that. In rare conditions, people are born unable to feel pain. This condition is called SIPA. Kids with SIPA have to be specially monitored because they don't know if they cut themselves or not and have an increased chance of infection. Another pain condition is called phantom limb pain, which is when a person who has had an arm or a leg removed experiences pain in the missing limb. This is caused by traumatic injury in the nerves during amputation. Gait control theory. The gait control theory is the theory that pain can be controlled through the exchange of physiological factors, like anxiety or fear, with the exchange of laughter and happiness to distract the pain. Vestibular sense is the sensation of body position, movement, and balance. There are 2 kinds found in the inner ear. The otolith organ tells a person whether they're moving forward, backward, or sideways. The other kind is a semicircular canal that lets the brain know when the body is rotating. Oh, I'm so dizzy. I felt dizzy because my horizontal canal was still rotating, but my eyes were telling my body I stopped. This disagreement between the horizontal canal and my eyes are also responsible for motion sickness.
Perception. Perception is how we see and interpret the things around us. Different people have different perceptions. For example, I might think Crocs shoes are really ugly, but some people love them. Gestalt's principles basically states that we interpret and tend to see things as a whole.